BETAFPV asked me if I want to try their drone for beginners. I thought, no, I'm not really interested, but then, maybe you are. Yes, it is Aquila 60. It is an FPV starter kit, and you know, I'm really impressed.
Thank you so much.
Yes, actually, yes. It looks like Avatar, quite smaller, and I like it. I like the quality of material. It's very suitable to have all in one case.
Yeah, exactly.
Just like purse, you can grab it and.
Right, it's a cheap solution to start an FPV adventure, right?
Yes, I guess it can be a great decision, or at least a great option. One of them.
Obviously, I will leave a link in the description for this drone. Okay, in a nutshell about the kit and the drone itself. We have such a box complete with goggles, radio, which by the way works with the LRS 2.4 GHz, and is compatible with the simulator, lucky you. I was totally blown away by the radio, great stuff. Later I will tell you in more details what's here. Then of course the drone itself. It is very durable. I have already done some significant crashes. And here we have all the necessary things. Batteries, the declared flight time in cruising mode is something about 8 minutes. And the charging device, also known as a battery checker. By the way, the battery is 1100 mAh, which actually give us this flight time. This is not typical capacity for 1S battery, but it is what it is, and that's good. I'm definitely not a box opener or basement spec guy, but one interesting thing I have to say about this drone that makes it more friendly for beginner FPV pilot. This drone has an optical flow. That allows this drone to keep altitude. Technologies. Here we can see at the bottom, and it is enabled by default. Of course, this is not a DJI drone, but it is something that will help you in your first flights. Okay, now for real test we need a FPV drone beginner pilot.
Yo, what's up, Vlad?
Yeah, how are you?
Pretty good.
In 1 hour will be okay?
1 hour? That's even better. Yeah, I'll call you in an hour.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
See ya.
Bye. See ya. I tried to find an interesting place for this test, not so crowded, but not very boring, and here we are. Okay, this is a mic, okay?
Okay.
Okay, tell me something about yourself, your credit card number, CVV code and stuff like that.
Yeah, so I've just been flying for half a year,
Okay.
about now. You set up my drone the first time. I wanted some configuration files, and then you're like, oh shit, you're in Krakow? I just moved it, 2 weeks ago.
Yeah,
So,
that's right.
The only drone I ever crashed was yours, a couple weeks ago.
Okay.
We broke a motor.
I'm sorry, we didn't count your experience with my 5-inch drone. It's just half a second, right?
Yeah. and you put it right underneath a tree.
Yeah. Okay,
Good.
so we should bear in mind it's just $250, okay?
Yeah. That's pretty cool, because just the goggles of like
Yeah, absolutely. This radio we can bind it with your drone as well. This one.
And you can use this analog with
Absolutely,
any...
it's totally analog drone. Okay, so first of all, a small explanation. This switch is just arm disarm, right?
Okay.
This one switch responsible for the mode, normal, sport, and manual. This switch responsible for the speed, slow, mid, and fast. And this one just a total mode that gives us opportunity to flip over the drone after the crash, right?
Cool.
Switch on, start the channel. Here we go.
You first.
Okay. Woo! Honestly, I guess it's a strong win for it.
Yeah, I just picked up.
Yeah. I want to say, we just keep in mind that just $250, okay?
250 bucks, yeah.
Let's go. It's okay, it's okay.
But it flies, yeah, kind of the same like the 20, like so far.
How do you like it?
Yeah, it's fun. It's pretty cool. Only thing is like that one time when I was flying it, try to get it to do that when it like it just like flipped itself around and I was
I have seen
a little bit sketchy, but maybe it was like the prop wash or maybe it was. But yeah, if it was my first drone, I'd be happy with it, you know?
Yeah.
Definitely for 250 bucks.
Yeah, definitely for 250 bucks. Exactly.
Go on or stop?
Say it again?
To decide, just to decide to go on.
Yeah.
keep
You're
going
talking like
or
in
stop.
in FPV, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe it's not the best day for the test because of the wind. Let's try to fly inside, indoor, in the gym in my case. Alright, this drone is not definitely for me, and if you have any experience in FPV, it is not for me. I think I know for whom this drone will be optimal. When I made a video about 1S drone and how cool it is, but probably not everyone needs it. Maybe you are not interested in freestyle and all of these FPV tricks. Maybe you're interested in cinematic flights or smoother flying or something. Or maybe you don't know what you want in an FPV. Like all of us, by the way. And that's when this might be your choice. You get a ready-to-fly kit of pretty good quality and only for 250 bucks. That's it. Let's go to fly. Let's go practice. Feel free.